styled components, and emotion. These are modern tools that help us write CSS directly inside our JavaScript files. And trust me, they make styling components clean and organized. Let's start with styled components. Open your terminal and install styled components. Bash npm install styled components. Once installed, open your React project, for example, inside app.js. Now import styled like this. JS import styled from styled components. Let's create a styled heading and a styled button. JSX/app.js, import React from React. Import styled from styled components. Const title equals style.h1. Color FB 2.5 rem, text align center, margin top 40px. Font family Sego UI sans serif, and hover color tabber DA1C4B. Const styled button equals style.button. Background Con56, color white, border none. Padding 12px, 24px. Border radius 8px. Cursor pointer, margin top 20px. Font size 1 rem. And hover, back color DA1C4B. Function app, return div style text align center. Hello from styled components. Click me, export default app. Save the file, then in your browser go to http:/localhost 3000. You'll see a beautifully styled heading and button. Hover over them and watch the colors change. All of this is handled inside the component, no external CSS files needed. Part 2, Emotion. First, install Emotion by running this in your terminal. Bash npm install emotions react at emotion styled. Then open app.js again and modify the code like this. JSX@JS import source at emotions react. Import React from React. Import styled from at emotion/styled. Const title.h1 color FB2056. Font size 2.5 rem. Text align center. Margin top 40px. Font family Sego UI sans serif. And hover color DA1C4B. Const emotion button equals style.button. Background color FB2056. Color white. Border none. Padding 12p24px. Border radius 8px. Cursor pointer. Margin top 20px. Font size 1 rem. And hover. Background color DA1C4B. Function app. Return text align center. Hello from Emotion. Click me. Export default app. Remember, for Emotion, make sure to include this comment at the top of the file. JSX import source at emotions react. Save and reload your browser. Now the exact same design works using Emotion. You can use either Emotion or styled components depending on your preferences. Both are awesome.